on PC. If you want to pay for it, you just options. And then this surface, you can just choose the plan that you want and then tap on buy it for free. You can use this trick. You can invite friends. You can click on these options. So by inviting your friends to use CapCut PC with your invite link, you can get a free pro. Let's just wait until it show up. So here, as you can see, you can get up to 70 days of free pro only by inviting 10 of your friends. So you can enjoy pro benefits on both CapCut mobile and also PC. What you need to do next is just copy this invite link and then share it with your friends. And after that, for each friend that install and launches CapCut desktop from your invite link in here, you will both get 7-day free pro. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.